Hey guys, how's it going? Simplified Investing here, bringing you guys another Sunday Stock Talk. And to start things off this week, I want to discuss futures first. So to get things kicked off right away, here's /NQ. This is going to be NASDAQ 100 Index Futures, so this tracks the NASDAQ market. And the thing that I'm seeing here, look at how overextended this is. On the 15-minute, MACD looks to be pointing down. Look at that, it's at that key, it's approaching this key support level here at 76.07. It's going to be a key level to watch as it has confirmed a resistance here, pushed back down, confirmed that support right here and pushed up. It is 2:50 Central Time here, so the futures will be opening up in about 2 hours. So this is going to be something key to watch. But come Monday, I'm going to be watching this level here at 76.07, down here at 75.68, and a bottom reversal here at 75.45.22. A very strong resistance here at 76.42, and we can zoom out on the 20-day 1 hour too. And there's also another resistance here at 76.53.12. As you can see, the MACD looks to be really flatlining here, especially on the 20-day 1 hour. RSI is also consolidating, staying flat. I'm waiting to see on the market open here, or the futures open, excuse me, if we can get a more clear movement of the direction of the market. As we closed here with futures, it's kind of a consolidation, a sideways movement. So come Monday again, these three levels here and these two resistances here are going to be important for /NQ. Now, as for /YM, Dow Jones Futures, look at all those key levels. Let's zoom in here. So we got this double bottom bounce here at 25.296, gap up and confirmation of resistance at 25.672. Right now we're gapping up through this trend line, looks to be pointing up. However, as with /NQ, look at that MACD flatlining, RSI also flatlining. We can look at this from the 5-day 15-minute as well. Look at how it's kind of just flatlining, no clear direction like there was down here. So what I'm going to look for is on futures open and market open come Monday, I'm going to see this 25.864 level down here at 25.770 and down here at 25.672. You guys can see I have my levels set for important key levels. I can get rid of that one right there. And zoom out here, we got an important resistance at 26.26 and 26.176 with a confirmation last week. So these levels are going to be really key. As you can see, RSI is getting a little overextended as well on the 5-day 15-minute and also the 5-day 5-minute. I'm going to be watching, and actually I'll set my alert right here as well on futures open to see if we can get a little further sell down, see how it's overextended, see if we can get that sell-off confirmation and a reversal either here at the 25.775 level or down here at 25.672. So the next one I want to discuss was /ES, which is going to be SPY futures. So as you guys can tell, a lot of them have kind of the same pattern. They all kind of follow each other. Look at this strong confirmation of a bottom right here, though, at 28.85. This is something I wanted to point out, too, when doing this. Boom, bottom, 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 bottom. So come open, or if a futures open, and market open, if we do get a gap up, I'm going to be watching to see if we can get a sell-off reversal here at 28.85. As you can see how strong of a support this will provide. As you can tell, we're pretty overextended on these two. 20-day 1 hour. I'm sure it's going to be flatlining like the other two. Yep, look at how overextended that MACD is. Look at that RSI. I'm going to be watching to see if we can get a sell-off either to a break of 28.85 area or even down to 28.7108 for a reversal. Again, it's going to be a key open. It's going to be a key open come futures open as well as come market open. I'm going to see if these key levels will be holding and see if we can get a reversal or a confirmation of a continuation up to the 29.13 level. As for stocks that I am watching for this week, you guys know my go-to right here, Boeing. Well, let me show you what I saw on Boeing. So we had this double bottom right here. Look at that pushed bottom. And a very strong resistance right here at 329. Look how it broke above that and pushed up to this resistance here at 331 area. So come open, I'm going to be seeing how futures open and how Boeing is pre-market. This support here at 329.09 has been very prevalent in the past few weeks trading Boeing, as well as 328. These are going to be really key levels to watch, and if we do get a break above this 331.17 here, I'm going to be watching this 332.95, as I did confirm a resistance 3 times last week. So again, Boeing is obviously one that I watch all the time. So these are going to be the key levels I'm going to be watching, and I'll be discussing further with our team come market open or pre-market, on Monday. Another valuable setup that I saw here was Netflix, and I will show you guys what I saw. So right here we have a very strong resistance here at 303. You may ask where I got that 303 resistance here, bottom bounce rejection here, and pre-market support from last Monday. So what I'm seeing here, look at how many times this got rejected by that trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's also getting rejected after market hours. So I'm going to be seeing if we can get a relative area on pre-market open or market open on Monday, and see where we're at relative to this level right here at 303.20. If we do get a breakthrough and a pushback down, a confirmation of a new support then here at 303.20, or if we do gap down and it pushes up on market open on Monday, and see if we can get another rejection here at 303.02. And as I mentioned earlier, 298.85 for another strong support there, and another resistance here at 306. So again, guys, these are going to be key levels that I'm going to be watching come market open. And the next stock that I wanted to discuss that I really enjoyed, or that pattern actually looked really good, was Facebook. So we look at this quadruple bottom bounce here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that big gap up to this resistance here and break through, and look at that pushback down. And also confirmed right here, it's kind of trending in between these two, so it's really going to be key to watch this, watch the level of Facebook come market open on Monday, see if we can get a push down to 182.83 area, or if we can get a gap up to 184.5, and see how it's respecting that level. If we can get a confirmation of a breakthrough with a 5-minute confirmation, or 5-minute candlestick confirmation, or a 15-minute, that'll be a key to watch. And if we can get the MACD to look better, see how it's flatlining, same with RSI. We're going to need more confirmation come Monday rather than just these support and resistance levels, but they're key levels to watch for Facebook come Monday, to see if this does provide a valuable setup for us when we're trading. So those were the 3 stocks that I was really watching, as well as futures. Again, guys, always take into consideration the futures levels before you get into your trade. As we just went through, the futures are not showing really a clear direction yet from close on Friday, so it's going to be something to watch come futures open here in about 2 hours, as well as market open tomorrow, to see if we get a more clear confirmation of a movement within the market, and ultimately see how these levels hold true for the 3 stocks that I mentioned that I'm really watching. So again, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and as always, have a great day. Thanks.